guys, John, the firearms instructor. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I know I am. What we have in front of us is the bullpup from Tokarev. It's the TBP 12. It's a semi-automatic 18.5-inch barrel. Comes with the sights already. Comes with a 5-round magazine. You could shoot 10-round magazine out of it, and they do make drums with it. We've shot this in the range. We kind of dig it. So you want to come down and take a look at it. We have it on the wall. You want to take it in the back and shoot a few rounds? You most certainly can. We're at 918 Southeast 14th Avenue in beautiful Cape Coral, Florida. We're off the industrial park off Vizcaya. Until next time, guys, God bless, be safe, and remember, you are your first line of defense. We'll see you, folks.
If you like what you saw in this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Please hit the bell icon to get more videos just like this when we upload them. If you know a friend or family that likes it, I would recommend you send it to them. God bless, be safe, remember, you are your first line of defense.